Hello team, it's Jess or Jashikaran on behalf of the Archer and Olive design team, coming to you with my strategies for setting and planning New Year's resolutions that you'll actually achieve. This video does have a related blog post over on the Archer and Olive website, so if you're watching on YouTube, make sure to check out the link in the description to that post. While the footage we have in this video gives you an overview of how to brainstorm, select, and set your New Year's resolutions, there is even more detail on that blog post, along with a free printable checklist that you can use to guide you. Jumping in though, the first thing we're starting with is a brainstorm of possible resolution ideas. Totally let your imagination go here and consider all of the possibilities that you might want to work on and achieve in the next year. You can of course collect your ideas in a list, or my preference is to use a mind map style that starts with the main areas of life like we have here. Not all of these areas may be relevant to you, and there may be some others that you want to include, but starting by considering these can be helpful in uncovering your potential resolutions. From these categories, you can then branch out into your potential resolutions and goals for the year ahead. In this video, I've been a bit more vague with the points I'm writing down here, mainly so that you can use these as ideas or prompts for identifying your own resolutions. But I do encourage you to try and get specific with these resolution ideas. It will really come in handy when it's time to start selecting and planning your resolutions. Over on the blog post, I also have a list of prompt questions that you can check out to help you uncover more resolution ideas. In particular, those ones that might not immediately come to mind, but might still be worthy of your attention. Once you have your brainstorming completed, it's time to choose what you're going to focus on for the year ahead. In selecting your resolutions, I do have some suggestions. One point is to consider whether there's any life areas that you have a lot of resolution ideas in. This could indicate that it's a space you want to make big changes in, and may be worthy of your attention. Another consideration is that you should try and avoid picking too many resolutions. Focusing on a smaller number, or even just one resolution, will likely help you feel less overwhelmed and make you more likely to make greater progress. When it comes to making an action plan for your New Year's resolution, it's good to make sure that you've worded it in a specific way. Now, you may have heard of SMART goals, but a framework that I think is even better are SPVEM goals. SPVEM. I know it doesn't sound as good, but it removes some of the redundancy between specific/measurable and attainable/realistic, both pairs of which could be interpreted as the same things. I go into more detail regarding the SPVEM framework in the blog post for this video, so do be sure to check that out. The main bulk of the action plan though are the action steps. What are the small actions that will add up to you achieving your New Year's goal or resolution? The smaller these steps are, the better. The easiest way to hit a snag with achieving your goals is when your next action step feels like a mission. In outlining your action steps, it's also good to think about the items that aren't just one-offs. So what do you have to do on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis to ensure you're making progress on this resolution? The last step though, once you've written your action plan, is the most important. You know what you need to do, so it's time to go and do it. Pick one of your action steps and get started. Question of the day for you though, what is your biggest difficulty when it comes to achieving your goals? For me, it's probably that there are too many things that I want to do or work on. It's very much that idea of you can do anything, but you can't do everything. Hopefully you guys have found this video helpful, and again, make sure to check out that blog post for the free printable checklist. As always team, thank you for watching. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and until next time, bye!